What just happened?
I don't know, just sit down. Get out my way!
I feel like I should
No.
This chair is shorter. Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in.
Hey, my name is Matt. I'm the owner of Fabrication.
And I'm Cam. I'm the only one willing to come in for 40 hours a week.
Yeah, cut!
And I'm Cam. I'm the full-time fabricator and welder here at Forever Fab.
So we just wanted to make a video explaining our intentions with our channel that we're starting up.
Yeah, so we have posted some videos in the past, just of previous jobs. And we're still going to do that for big jobs here and there. But we wanted to start a weekly or bi-weekly series on kind of just shop videos. They're just going to be for fun, showing what goes on around here and the kind of stuff we do.
Yeah, exactly. So you'll see a bit of our location here and what we do. We're in Lake Elmo, Minnesota. You'll also see our other location in St. Paul, which is at JWP Automotive, and see all the cool shit they got going on. Now, if you're new to the channel, if you're new to the area, if you're not from Minnesota, whatever, you found the right video because this is where we're kind of explaining, showing a little bit what we're going to be doing. We are a metal fabrication shop, and we also specialize in TIG welding, so...
Yeah. Now, there are three main things that we do here. Production TIG welding, like this.
What? Yeah, no, you can put your hands on. I'm not that good at editing. No.
Putting the clip in?
No. Nope. Yeah, we also do whatever the hell walks in the door that's made of metal.
Yeah, but what we're going to focus this channel on is what we're most well known for, which is...
metal custom automotive fabrication?
Yeah. Cue the montage. Cue the montage. I don't know if you want to film that.
Holy... Yeah, get all up in there, boy. Get out of my way.
So yeah, those are just some quick clips of kind of the stuff that we've had going on the last couple weeks. And
yeah, so that's the kind of stuff we're going to be putting out. So make sure you follow, like, comment,
subscribe.
That one too.
Make sure to follow us on Facebook, facebook.com/foreverfabrication, and Instagram at forever_fabrication.
Yeah, okay, I'm leaving now. Yeah, no, I'm out.
All right, make sure you follow Matt's OnlyFans at...
Yeah, nope. Hold on a second.
I think just that. Yeah, that was perfect.